Long ago, in a galaxy far, far away, an unknown virus yet deadly struck a planet. But it was at this very moment that this very hospital saved the day. This is a hospital that is infinitely large, consisting of an infinite amount of hospital beds, starting from number 1 to number infinity. Every single bed is occupied by a patient. But today, a new patient comes in feeling sick, so the nurse decides to move all of the patients one number further to enable the new patient to stay. But as the virus continuously spread, an infinite amount of patients come to the hospital. The nurse decides to move all of the patients to a new bed that is 2 times the number of their initial bed to make sure that all of them is able to stay. To further explain this idea, let's talk about one-to-one mapping. Let's first look at the 2 lists shown here. Every single number in list 1 can be linked to a number in list 2, as well as every single number in list 2 can be linked to a number in list 1. Given that, we know that these 2 lists have the same cardinality. This rule can also be implemented when comparing 2 number lists that are both infinite. Here are some examples. Take a look at the 2 lists. All numbers in set n can be mapped to set m, but when mapping set m to set n, add 1 to all of the numbers in set m, so all of the numbers can be mapped to set n, proving the 2 lists have the same cardinality. All numbers in set n can be mapped to z by mapping to the same number, but when mapping set z to set n, times 2 and plus 1 for whole numbers, and times -2 for negative integers, proving the 2 lists have the same cardinality. We can represent rational numbers as q divided by p. As we can see in this graph, the x-axis is p while the y-axis is q. Both are all positive integers. This graph is able to label all of the rational numbers as well as natural numbers starting from 1 to infinity, and excluding overlapping numbers, proving the 2 lists have the same cardinality. Therefore, the hospital was able to control the virus by providing beds to everyone, so the story ends with a happy ending.